You're about to listen to Enthusiastically Self-Employed, the podcast created for you as a coach, consultant, speaker, and/or author. I created this podcast for those of us who are enthusiastic about growing our business and learning along the way. My name is Brenda Meller, and I'm your host. Prior to becoming enthusiastically self-employed, I was a corporate marketer who always admired those who were self-employed. Through this podcast, I'll share my learnings and expert guest interviews with you. You'll learn business, marketing, and LinkedIn tips to help you as a solopreneur or small business owner. Remember to follow this show to get the newest podcast episodes loaded into your podcast player of choice. Now let's get started. Welcome back to the podcast. I did another YouTube video today about a LinkedIn company page glitch that I noticed. And after recording the video, I realized I haven't published a podcast episode for this week. So I'm going to push this on my podcast as well. Now, this falls under the category of probably does a good enough job of explaining the feature, but you also may want to look at the video as well to see the on-screen demonstration. So I'm going to encourage you to check out the show notes. You can pop on over to YouTube and you can actually see me navigating through. But in the meantime, I thought this might make for a quick podcast episode as well. Enjoy the episode. And as always, I welcome your comments or additional LinkedIn questions to feature in my future shows. You can get a hold of me at brenda@mellermarketing.com. Have you noticed this little glitch happening? I went into my company page post today and I wanted to make an edit, and here's what I noticed. It looks like it's posting from your profile instead of your company page. Let me demonstrate this on screen for you now. If you click on the three dots next to a recent company page post, you'll get a menu of options, one of which is Edit Post. When you click on Edit Post, I want you to pay attention to what happens here. Did you notice at the top? Now it's my photo and it says posted to anyone, which is a little bit odd. So I went in and I made some edits to it. Now I'm going to add something in here so you can actually see this is going on my company page. I'm going to add a quick emoji, a check mark emoji on here so you can see this is in fact the post that I'm editing. After I click on save at the bottom, you're going to notice that this is sitting on my company page. It's not being posted to Brenda Meller, to my activity feed. I don't know why this glitch is happening, but I'm going to do a quick double check to make sure it's not duplicating the post from my profile, because that's what it looked like, right? It looked like Brenda Meller resharing it with everyone. So let me go down to my activity feed section. I'm not seeing it in here. I'm going to click on show all just to do a quick double check of this to make sure. And it does look like it published it as a new post. It's not here either. So I'm not sure what is happening. Typically, when I see glitches like these that are happening, the glitch area is undergoing some type of transformation by LinkedIn. Now, that could mean they're adding a feature, they are retiring a feature, they're changing a feature, but something is happening on company pages within the edit feature. Because again, when I click on those three dots and I click on edit post, it doesn't look like it's being published to my company page. It looks like it's being published to my profile. So if I had to take a guess, make a hypothesis, I think LinkedIn is doing something, changing the interaction between profiles and company pages, especially when it deals with page admin. So I'm going to keep my eye on this, but if you've noticed this as well, it's not you. And I want to reassure you that LinkedIn is confusing. You're not alone if you feel like it's confusing. I've literally created an entire company to help people like you to understand LinkedIn more effectively. Hey, if you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you could drop a comment below and let me know. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. And if you happen to be listening to this on the podcast, I'm going to put the link to the YouTube video in show notes in case you would like to watch it there as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And Brenda Meller here to help you to get a bigger slice of that LinkedIn pie. Hey, if you're looking to learn more about marketing techniques to help to shape your business, whether you're self-employed or maybe you're a small business owner and just need to brush up on some different areas of marketing, I'm here to help you. I come from a corporate marketing background and I'm always weaving in really great marketing techniques into my business, and I like to teach those techniques to you. Join Marketing with Meller by going to mellermarketing.com/join. You can join for just $67 per month. What are you waiting for? Join today. MellerMarketing.com/join.